Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Unilifer group. This group consists of 4 people. The first one is me, Anisa hudjah, as the manager. The second one is Videlia Adellin. The third one is Lukman hakim, and the last one is Cindika, verona. In this video, we will explain the materials about sequence and series. For the first part, I will explain the definitions for each of the materials that we will learn. First is sequence. Based on the Mathematics for Economics by Michael Hoy, sequence is simply a sequence of numbers. Sequence is a list consists of a group of numbers or objects that follow a specific patterns or rules. Second, based on Mathematics for Economics by Michael Hoy, a series is a special type of sequence. A series defined as the sum of the numbers or objects of the sequence.
The business development model is the application of sequence and series in economic business. Business development means a company whose growth is constant from time to time, following changes in the count bars. If the development of certain variables in the company activities, such as production, cost, income, use of labor, or investment, is patterned like an arithmetic series, then arithmetic principle can be used to analyze the development of these variables. The pattern here is like an arithmetic series, but the meaning here is that the variable in question increase constantly from one period to the next period. In the field of business and economics, the theory of principle of series is often applied in cases involving development and growth. If the development or growth of a if the development or growth of a particular phenomenon has a pattern, such as changes in the value of a series, both arithmetic and geometric, then the relevant series theory is used to analyze it. And then there is 3. You can apply this series to 3. It's first, business development model. If the development of certain variables in business activities such as production, cost, income, use of labor, or investment is patterned like an arithmetic series, then arithmetic principles can be used to analyze the development of these variables. And the second one is compound flower model. The compound flower model is the application of a geometric series in the case of savings and loans and investment cases. With this model, it can be calculated, for example, the amount of future credit returns based on the interest rate, or vice versa, to measure the present value of an amount of investment return that will be received in the future. And then, last but not least, the third, population growth model. The most conventional application of geometric series in economics is in terms of estimating the population. As Malthus once stated, the world's population grows according to a geometrical pattern. That's it from me. Thank you.
Example for arithmetic sequence. The question is, find the number of terms of the sequence if the arithmetic sequence is 2, 8, 14, 20, blah blah blah, 98. So we get the first term A equals 2, and the B, the second term minus first term, so 8 minus 2 is 6. The formula we use is UN equals A plus N minus 1 multiplied by B, and then we substitute the number into the formula, so we get 98 equals 2 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 6. N and 1 multiplied by 6. It will be 98 equals 2 plus 6n minus 6. 2 minus 6 get negative 3. 98 equals 6n minus 3. We move the position to find the n. 6n move to the left and 98 move to the right. So we get negative 6n equals negative 98 minus 3. Negative 98 minus 3 is 100, negative 102. Both sides are negative, so we make it to positive. 6n equals 102. We move 6 to the right side to divide with 102. N equals 102 divided by 6 is 17. So the number of terms of the sequence is 17. Next is arithmetic series. Example for arithmetic series. Here's the question. The arithmetic series is 5 plus 9 plus 13 plus 17 plus blah blah blah. What is the sum of the first 50 terms of the series? So we get the first term is 5 and the difference b is 4 and the number of term is 50. So the formula is Sn equal half n 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by b. We substitute the number to the formula, get S50 equals half multiplied by 50, 2 multiplied by 5 plus 50 minus 1 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 50 minus 1 is 49. Multiplied by 4, then we get 25. 10 plus 916. 10 plus 916 is 926. So 25 multiplied by 926 is 23,150. So the sum of the first 50 terms of the series is 23,150. Next example for application of arithmetic sequence. Here's the question. Every month Arif saves in a bank. In the first month, Arif saved 200,000. In the next month, Arif increased the amount of money saved by 10,000. So until the following month. The amount of money Arif saved in the 12th month is, so the first term is 2,000 and the difference, the b is 10,000. The number of term is 12. So we use the formula un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied by b. Then substitute the number into the formula. U12 equals 200,000 plus 12 minus 1 multiplied by 6. 12 minus 1 is 11 multiplied by 10,000, get 110,000. 200,000 plus 110,000 is 310,000. So the amount of money that Arif saved in the 12th month is 310,000. Thank you.
First, I will discuss about arithmetic sequence. There is an arithmetic sequence with the pattern 1, 3, 5, etc. Calculate the seventh term of the row. Dari soal, kita dapat tarik kesimpulan bahwa A atau suku pertamanya adalah 1, B atau bedanya yang kita dapat dari pengurangan suku kedua dikurang suku pertama, yaitu 3 dikurang 1 sama dengan 2. Lalu rumusnya adalah UN sama dengan A plus dalam kurung N-1 tutup kurung dikali B. U7-nya atau yang ditanya adalah U7-nya. U7 sama dengan 1 plus dalam kurung 7 dikurang 1 tutup kurung dikali 2. U7 sama dengan 1 plus 12. Jadi suku ke-7-nya adalah 13. The second one is arithmetic series. There is an arithmetic series with the pattern 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. What is the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic series? Dari soal kita dapat bahwa A atau suku pertamanya adalah 3, B-nya 3, dan N-nya sama dengan 10. Rumusnya adalah Sn sama dengan setengah N dalam kurung 2A plus dalam kurung N-1 tutup kurung dikali B. S10-nya sama dengan 10 dibagi 2 dalam kurung 2 dikali 3 ditambah 10 dikurang 1 tutup kurung dikali B. Jadi S10-nya sama dengan 5 dikali 33, yaitu 165. Jadi jumlah 10 suku pertamanya adalah 165. The last one is application arithmetic series in economic. Every month, Tiwi always save money in the bank with the amount of money that is always higher than the previous month. In the first month, she saved 20,000 rupiah, and in the second month, she saved 24,000 rupiah, and so on. It always goes up 4,000 from the previous month. How much money does Tiwi save for 1 year? Jadi yang ditanya dari soal tersebut adalah berapa jumlah tabungan Tiwi selama 1 tahun atau selama 12 bulan. Yang didapat dari soal itu suku pertamanya adalah atau A-nya adalah 20.000, B atau bedanya adalah 4.000, dan N-nya 12 bulan, yaitu 12. N sama dengan 12. Lalu rumusnya adalah Sn sama dengan setengah N dalam